haven't been getting much sleep recently, the last couple of days, because I'm doing this vlog challenge. Today's technically day 2, and I haven't filmed anything. It's 9:33. I'm just about to head off to the gym, and I'm just thinking in my head, what sort of sequence should I make? And you get these creeping thoughts of doubt in your mind. Essentially, it feels like imposter syndrome. In the last couple of days of filming, just talking to the camera, I've learned that just filming something and putting it together is a lot easier when you articulate your words properly. So all this stuff that I'm just talking about now, like all those words, everything I just said then, it's going to be quite difficult to put together because I have a lot of pauses in between my words. And it makes me look all jump cutty too. It's only day 2 and I feel like I'm running out of ideas already. Maybe we'll do a gym sequence, see how we go. I'm going to have to push past, you know, that fear, I guess? I don't know if it's fear, but... So, let's go! So did that work? I'll do this transition. That's the gym workout done. Hopefully I got enough video sequences as well. Yeah, I think tomorrow I'm going to plan and film my first video. Well, at least the intro of one. Not my first video, it's like the first investing video. It's just something simple. I'll record some of the BTS tomorrow, but other than that, this is my night tonight. Whole lot of procrastinating because I'm running on only 4 hours worth of sleep, 4 to 6 hours of sleep every night at the moment because I am editing these vlogs. You'd think that it doesn't take that long to edit something so simple. Actually, it doesn't feel like too long, but when you look at the clock after you're done, it's midnight past that. And working like thumbnails and stuff like that. But I mean, I'm having a lot of fun posting something every day, so I'm glad we've put something together today, and hopefully tomorrow, the Thursday the 9th, it's going to be a little bit more eventful. But other than that, see you later.